Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to have two blogs with WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you're logged in, locate the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Here, click on Edit Site, which will take you into the site editor where you will carry out the rest of the setup. Inside the site editor, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Click on it to open the block menu. This menu includes a search bar, type blog into the search field, and WordPress will display all blog-related design components. From this list, select the block labeled Blog Posts. This block ensures your posts are displayed neatly and professionally in your layout. Once you've added the blog post block, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the screen, where you will find the block tab. Click on it to open the customization options. Here you will see a setting that controls how many items appear in your blog post section. Adjust this number to 2 so that only 2 blog posts are displayed. This keeps your layout clean and helps maintain a simple, uncluttered design. After adjusting the number of items, your two-blog setup is complete. And that's it. So that is how you can have two blogs with WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.